Hello YouTubers, it's time for another pointless, useless tutorial. What will it achieve? Nothing! Still, we do it anyway and on we go. Whilst you're looking at this tutorial, if you already have not switched off thinking, oh my god, has this guy got some sort of mental problem? You might want to consider subscribing, please. Do it! Do it! Do it, I say! Now, to the tutorial. Today, I am going to teach you how to play drums on a flat surface like a table like this. I really hope you can see this, and this poor table's a bit battered. I really shouldn't be doing this, but let's do it. Right, so what do you need? Your hands. Yes, a good set of hands. You can purchase hands anywhere. You can buy hands at the local hand shop for $2.95 each. Say my name and you'll get an extra $1 off. You can buy a new pair of hands, screw them onto your wrists. An extra video will be made on that. How to drill them on. You need a Phillips head screwdriver and a whole bunch of patience. Secondly, you'll need a flat surface. Yes, something like this. Oh dear. Oh, hey, what's happened here? Ooh, right. Now we have all these things. Let's get to the drumming. So, let's start off with a little slow beat. Just with one hand here, like this. You could use your palm or the heel of your hand. Oh, this table really doesn't have good sound at all. Now I can bring in the other hand. Yes. So start getting your finger to do some. Oh. So, the best thing, even though it can be a bit owie after a while, is to use your index finger, I find. That's your little snare drum. Ow, 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 ow. Can hurt after a while. So, the heel of your hand, that's your little bass pedal. So don't be afraid to move your right hand in different directions. Oh dear, this table is really not good. I'm really not good at tutorials, am I? Right, that really does hurt. You might be better actually using sticks or something, or spoons, because it does get a little painful after a while. Now, drum rolls. You can do drum rolls on a flat surface. Do not do it at a counter of some sort of shop. People won't like that. But you get your two index fingers and you go. Yes, drum roll. All right, final finale. So, this hand and your second hand. Now keep hitting that first hand at the same time. Don't not hit it on the second beat. It adds extra bass, a bit of character. Now, let's bring in some cymbals. Or extra drums. Right. I can't go any further. I'm going to end this tutorial, which has been totally pointless. Please don't walk away from my channel. There'll be plenty more stupidity, I promise. Jesus. But there you go. There is a little bit of methodology, very poorly explained, awful, you probably can't see it, of how to drum on a flat surface. Stop recording.